Hi viewers, first of all I just want to appreciate for visiting my channel. Today I'm here to share with you my chicken burger recipe. This recipe is super simple to try at home and I promise you will not regret. Actually, if you ever try this at home, I'm sure after that you won't be visiting any restaurant. So please make sure that you give it a try and let me know in the comment box below what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure you do, and also if you enjoy watching my videos, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Anyways, let's not waste any more time. I will just get on with the recipe now. I've got 7 pieces of chicken thighs, which is about 1 kilo. And as you can see, I'm actually focusing on the biggest chunk of this chicken thigh and cut around it so I can get the perfect chicken patty. So there you go, this is exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to keep that on the side and do the same for the rest. This is all the chicken pieces that I'm left with and I'm going to use that to make a curry. So let's see how many chicken pieces I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next step is to wash it really well. If you're going to try my recipe, then I recommend that you use chicken thighs, not chicken breast. Chicken thigh has fat around it and that will make the chicken very juicy and it will also bring out nice flavor. Anyways, let's move on to the next step and add the spices in here. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half teaspoon of thyme, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's combine everything together. Before you do this step, make sure that you've washed your hands. If you don't feel comfortable using your hand, then do wear a glove. As you can see, all the spices has blended in really well on the chicken, so now I'm going to pan fry them with some oil. You guys probably already know that it's not time consuming at all when you're cooking chicken, so this should be cooked within next 10 minutes. Please don't ask me why I'm using fork, because I don't even know myself, but I just know fork is my best friend when I'm in the kitchen. At the moment I've got the flame on high just because I want that perfect grilled color from the outside. Then I'm going to lower the flame on medium so it will be perfectly cooked from inside. Can you actually tell from looking at the screen that this chicken has so much flavor from outside? All the fat that was all around it, that's melted and perfectly blended in. That means this chicken pieces is going to be super juicy and so flavorful. It also has a bit of crispiness around the edges, as you can tell. You can have these chicken pieces with some salad on the side. That would be really tasty and also healthy at the same time. You can actually even have it on its own just with some sauce. Once the chicken is cooked, add a cheese slice on top of each one and turn the flame off. I'm using yellow cheese, but you can also use white cheese, that would be even more tastier. While the cheese slices are melting, I'm going to get everything else prepared. So let's toast the burger bun only for a few seconds. As you can see, it's perfectly toasted. Now let's spread some butter on both sides. Anyways, I hope that you're enjoying watching my recipe. If you are, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and just to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So next I'm going to add some mayonnaise on both sides as well. Now let's place some lettuce. And of course the chicken pieces, which is the best part. So this was my spicy chicken burger recipe. Let me know in the comment box below what's your expressions. I promise you this burger is so tasty. I really wish that I could let you buy on it, but obviously it's not possible. It's a very simple recipe, so I think you should definitely give it a go, and make sure you follow me on social media. When you post it, don't forget to tag me as well. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Take care and stay safe.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.